Are you an educationist, academician, or want to be an entrepreneur?
Have you ever dreamt of owning your own college with futuristic programs?
AVPL International invites you to step into the future of entrepreneurship with world-scale and incubation DaaS.
Welcome to AVPL. We at AVPL is a leading force in drone ecosystem. We are providing different services like drone as a service, drone trainings, skill development trainings across India. With presence over 12 states, we are coming up with 20 World Skill and Incubation Hub and 50 Global Skill and Incubation Hub. We look forward to provide a platform to Indian youth for global employment and self-employment opportunities across India.
We are not just offering a franchisee of the World Skill Center and Incubation Hub.
We are offering a gateway to innovation with drone ecosystem and skill training with international facing opportunities.
We at AVPL International are building our brand and strong our entrepreneur with an event organizer franchise India. We are there on both days 18 and 19.
We're a team of professionals ready to make you realize your dream of shaping the world of future entrepreneurship.
We are a team of AVPL International who are excited to see